Hey, how's it going? The International Space Station, known as the ISS, is starting transmissions this week, sending out slow scan TV images. So, if you don't know what that is, that's basically a way of sending an image via radio waves. It's on FM, it's on 145,800, that's the frequency. So, you just need a radio or a transceiver to download. You just tune in when it's coming over, you point your antenna towards the sky, or if you've got a little handheld Bofang, you can use that as well. They're only cheap, get them on eBay. And as soon as you hear the noise, which sounds like an old modem or a fax machine, you use an app, put your phone by the radio, and it will download. So the app I'm using, because it's an iPhone, is called SSTV. You can get something on Android. It downloads for the ISS in PD120 mode. That's the mode you need to set the software to, or the app to. You can use SSTV, which is a free bit of software on Windows. That works as well. You could even monitor the ISS via web SDR if you wanted. But they basically, normally, last time they did it, it was 12 images, and you get there's 2 minutes on sending the signal, and then 2 minutes off. And it will go over, and you've got like about 4 to 5 minutes of it coming over. So you might get 2 images, you might just get one, you might get none at all. I'm using a Yagi, which is a handheld Yagi. This is an Arrow. And I'll hold this and aim it towards the space station as it comes over. To track the space station, I use a simple app called Go ISS Watch. I think it was free, and it tells you, if you see the screen, it tells you when it's coming over and when it's going to be over your location. So for us tonight, it's the 14th of July 2025, and it's going to be over nearly directly overhead at 9:45 tonight. And on this app I can forward it to see. If you see the red ring, that means that's how far the frequency should travel. So you basically just wait for that to come along. I'm going to put my phone by the transceiver, and you'll see the image coming down hopefully. I'll just show you my setup. So I've got a little, let's swap the camera. This is a DeWalt box. It's been raining because I left it out by mistake. This is an old toolbox. Inside I just have kitted it out with some sponge. I got a little handheld recorder. I got a speaker, a separate speaker, which is using a split cable, a jack split, so I can record and hear at the same time. Then I've got a cheap battery, and this happens to be a second-hand IC 2730 by ICOM. If I turn it on, this is full duplex, so it can hear on the uplink and downlink. You don't need that. As I said, you could use a Bofang to monitor, and they're quite cheap. They're about £20, and you just put your recorder by it or your phone with the app, and as it comes over, you just aim it towards the ISS. You will get a better signal with a Yagi, but obviously they cost a bit more. So I just got to wait now for the ISS to come over. There it is. So it's about 15 minutes away. So I'll stop recording now, and then I'll set it up so you can hear and see the image coming down. There it is in the sky. I don't know if you can focus on that. There it is going across.